Everybody, today is Sunday the 7th of January 2018, so I will change the date. Okay, I will make a curtain for today, so let's start. Yeah, now so I will use those ribbon. This is a golden ribbon. You could use this type or this type as you like, but if you use this type, I will just need to cut the edges here. Okay, so I will start to cut the edges. Okay, I will cut it like this. Okay, until the end. Okay, and I will cut it also from here by leaving a distance, a distance of 1 centimeters length, approximately 1 centimeters length. Okay, so I will cut it longitudinally until the end of the ribbon. Until at the end, it will give me this long thread. Okay, so I will cut them. Okay, and return back to you. But after removing those edges, okay, it will give you those parts. Okay, so I will use them later. I will let you know how to use them. Action. So in this ribbon, because it is large, so we could just separate it into 1 centimeter length. Okay, because I will cut along the length of those like this. Okay, so I will cut them and return back to you. So as you see here, I probably finished cutting the ribbon, sorry. Yeah, because it's too long. But this is the technique of cutting. You should put your hand like this, okay, until you reach the end of the ribbon. So you find all these are the cutted ribbon. Okay, I will put them now. Yeah, so now I cut all those ribbon as you see here. So I think they are probably 1 meter and 80 centimeters length each one, and this is the width of the door. So what I will do now, I cut this ribbon, okay, just to make it as a base, and I will attach each one by using the glue gun. Okay, so I will start here. For example, I will put one here. So now I attached one, and I will attach each of them continuously. Okay, so I will put the glue gun as you see here, and then attach it like this. I will just leave 2 millimeters length apart from each other. Okay, so I will continue until the end, and then I will return back to you. Yeah, so now you see I probably finished sticking all those ribbons, and now I will just stick the remaining. But be patient while you stick the ribbon to put it in this side for not being confused with the other ribbon, and then you will attach it again, so it will be like a circle or U-turn. So be patient of not doing this mistake. Okay, so I will continue until the end of this ribbon. As you see, I put it in this direction to just be sure that it will not be confused with the others. See, yeah, as you see here, I put it here for not be mixed with the other non-mixed ribbon. Okay, non-fixed ribbon. Okay, and now I'll just fix those. I have only 2 or 3 to fix, so I will put it in this direction. Okay, after finishing that, I will leave them to dry. Okay, This is the final one, so I will attach it now. Okay, and I will leave this bit just to put the nail here in the door. So what I will do next is to bring those wires, the wires that I cut before. What I will do with them, actually I will do a braid. Now I have this part, they are fully attached, okay, as you see here. So I will make the braid and put it here in the top of them, just to give a nice shape. And if you recognize here, I put the silver ribbon in between the golden ribbon, but not too much. I put only 3 ribbons, so that depends upon you, as you like. You should select the color you want. So now I will do the braid, okay, or make the braid. I will bring those 3 parts together. Okay, I will just adjust them, okay, and then I will fix them from here, okay, and start to make the braid. So I will fix them with the glue gun. Okay, and give them to dry. So now I will start to make this braid as you see here, okay. So I will make it and continue to make it until the end, because I will cut this with the length of the width of the door, so I should cut it here, okay. So I will actually, so now I made the braid as you see here with the width of the door. And what I will do next, I will just stick it here, attach it here, okay, so by using the glue gun. So I will attach it along it, okay. I will start to attach part and then continue for preventing it to dry. Okay. Yeah, so now I finished sticking that braid on this. As you see, here's a curtain, okay, is here, and I attached the braid on it. And now I will make a ribbon, a bow. So the bow, maybe you could cut probably 40 centimeters length, okay, and you will just make something like this, okay, and then bend it like this, okay. So I make this shape, okay, and then I will just attach them together like this, and I will bring a metallic wire to just join them together from the middle, okay. A metallic wire like this, okay. So I just need to join them together like this at the end, okay, to give this the shape of this bow, okay. So I will make lots of them and stick them apart here in the top, just to make a good decorated shape, okay. So now I made those 3 bows, okay. I will put the silver one in the middle, and those 2 I will put them in the board here, in the border, with a little bit angle, okay. So let's start to fix them. is the last thing. Okay, so yes, now I finished it, and I will hang it on my door, and then I will give you the final shape. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Here is the curtain after hanging it. Actually, it is really nice. I love it. You see, you can open it and it's very smooth. Yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you like my video, please don't forget to
like, share, and subscribe.